Start.
Hi friends, today I am introducing you to a 1.5 BHK. It's located in Manopus. It's on the Western Express Highway opposite Kashmira flyover. So this is on the 5th floor and there is a podium of 3 floors. So the height is approximately of 8th floor even though it's 5th. So this is a completely renovated flat and it's completely furnished. It's ready to live in. We have done all possible renovations and we have also done all the light and fan fixtures and even the modular kitchen. It's not carpenter made. It's done by an architect and it's with warranty. The modular kitchen has got warranty as well. So I will just take you through the entire flat. So this is the main door, this is the entrance. So these are the light fixtures. So let me first take you to the kitchen. So the builder had not given tiling, so we have done entire tiling with the best of tiles. As you can see, these are the highlight, the backdrop is Moroccan style tiles and this is the modular kitchen. So let me just show you all the cabinets. Every possible detail has been taken care of. There is no possible flaw that you will find. This is the place for water filter, water purifier. We have even changed the tap. We have put a better tap and we have also done work of the pipe so that there is cleanliness below the sink. As you can see, we have taken care of small details. So let me just show you the cabinets, and even these cabinets are removable for easy cleaning. We have spent extra so that there is no problem that you will face once you start living here. This is the place for the gas cylinder. Once you get piped gas, you can install trolleys here. Okay, the builder had not given this service platform. This we have installed for additional utility. There is a provision for microwave, and also this switch was not installed by builder. We have done the provision so that you can use the microwave. And there is a switch here for mixer grinder or any other equipment. If you want to fix a chimney, then there is a switch there. For purifier, there is a switch here. And we have installed top cabinets for additional storage. And we have also kept a fridge here, single door, new fridge. It's unused, completely unused. We have just installed it so that whoever comes to stay here can directly start living. Okay, so this door we will be replacing. We will be making a foldable door. This is the only work that is remaining in this house. So let me show you what we have done outside in the kitchen balcony. So here we have made provision for additional storage. There is ample amount of space. This was not given by the builder. This we have done. And we have also done tiling in the balcony, which was not given by the builder. So a lot of work has been done. Also we have, as you can see, this is a mosquito net. So you will never have any issues of mosquitoes or insects if you keep this closed. And here we have done to conceal the pipes. This door that you can see has been done to conceal the pipes. so that it doesn't look bad. The pipes don't look bad, so we have done a complete door frame. And once we do once we install a split door here, you can easily go inside the balcony. So now let me show you the drawing room. So this is a shoe cabinet. It's made of, everything is from wooden street, shisham wood, solid wood furniture. Let me just show you. There are two drawers also below. This is the 4-seater dining table. This is also from wooden street, shisham wood, solid wood. And now let me show you the sofa. Everything is branded. It's from wooden street. We have personally taken care to see that everything is proper and there is no issue at all. This is a center table. This is a TV unit. And these are some additional furnitures which we have kept. So let me show you the balcony. In every balcony we have installed mosquito net. And this is also branded. For almost 60,000 has been spent just to install the mosquito net. These are branded. And there will be servicing done by the company every year. This is just to ensure that you don't have any mosquitoes entering the flat, and for safety as well. Now we have also installed fans, lights, and this paint that you see, it's Asian Paints Royale washable paint. This is also of very good quality, and we have given accent wall as well. Even in the kitchen the painting has been done. The entire house has been painted. This is paint. This is also paint. It's not distemper. We have just painted it. Also we have given you a granite frame so that there is no chipping of walls. So every small detail has been taken care of, which the builder had not provided. Okay, now let me show you the bathroom. There are two bathrooms. So this is a common one. So here also we have installed a granite frame here so that the water doesn't flow out. This was not provided earlier. We have also provided a fan, exhaust fan. And light also we have installed. We have installed geyser. Then this has been provided by the builder. The tiling has been provided by we have done painting on the ceiling and the sides, and we have installed these rods so that the person can directly come and stay. Even here we have installed hanging rods. Let me show you the first bedroom now. So this is the first bedroom. This is a small bedroom. This is a study room. You can call it a study room. So here we have given a divan. This is from wooden street, and it has storage as well. And here also you can see the mosquito nets. Here you can see the accent wall. This is all Asian Paints Royale paint. Now let me take you to the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. Here also the painting has been done with the accent wall. So here there is a wooden straight shisham wood, solid wood bed. It's a queen size bed. Again here mosquito net has been installed like all other balconies. The balcony has ample space as well. Even the bed has got storage drawers on all four sides. There are total four drawers. Let me show you the second bathroom. Here also the exhaust fan has been installed, geyser has been installed, and rest of the fittings are provided by the builder. We have given the two rods, one here and one on this side. Anti-skid tiles have been installed by the builder. And we have given here we have given a Godrej interior 2-door wardrobe with ample storage, and there is a dressing table with a full length mirror. This is from Wooden Street. It has got ample storage inside. There are some minor flaws in this. This was delivered just today, but we will be getting it rectified. The magnet here, we will be getting it rectified. Yeah, so that's all about it. The price that we are quoting for this flat is 90 lakhs. Thank you.